guys, somehow it started as a twist and it's ending up as a nini matuta. Wow. We're still gonna finish this tutorial. If you recall, I did a part at the back. Where is it though? There was a part going all the way right down to the middle. Where is the part I did at the back? Where is it? Okay, so first, before I even get into it, I just want to shout out all the people who followed my makeup tutorials. There are quite a number of people. Guys, I'm so humbled every time I see that I tried following Joanna Kinuthia's makeup tutorial. I feel so humbled and I feel so nice. And it's just really nice. So I'm going to link all of their videos down below so that you guys can go check them out and go and show them some love. So let's get into this tutorial. You guys already know, first of all, that I'm not going to have anything that Sheila has, because that is just how I roll. I am the queen of substitution. So I'm not going to have everything she has, but I'm just gonna use what I have. So let's see. So it's called Two Flat Twists Easy Protective Style. It's so cute. It's so cute. Just a minute before we get into the video, Sheila's eyebrows are popping. They're so on fleek, my god.
It's already been stretched and detangled, and as you guys can see, I've already parted it.
Hold up. So she said her hair has been stretched and detangled. Well, this is, I don't know how she stretched her hair, but this is as stretched as it's going to get, and my hair is honestly so dry. Yani, I'm just coming here embarrassing myself with dry hair, but it's what we're gonna work with. God, it's so dry. I think I'll put something on it, something to moisturize it a bit, but this is as stretched as it's gonna get. Also, I've seen that she's done a part
to do, it's kind of like a side part, but you guys can choose to also do a middle part. I'm also going to be using...
Wait. Okay, so she's done a side part. I'm also a fan of side parts, so I'm also going to do a side part. I'm not a fan of mid parts on me. Like, I love how they look, and sometimes I experiment. God, my hair is so dry, y'all. Whoo! Anyway, I can assure you that my side part is not at all straight. So I've done it like that, and then like, let me show you guys my seams here at the back. Is that even... Not even remotely straight. I can just feel it, but
bit of the oily leave-in conditioner to just slightly moisturize my hair and make it more manageable. I had already moisturized prior to this, and I use products from the same line.
Okay, she's putting leave-in. My hair is so dry, so I'm also definitely gonna do that. You guys already know I don't have the leave-in she has, so I'm just gonna use the leave-in that I have. Let me get my leave-in conditioner. That's not hers.
So now I'm just lightly brushing my edges just to make sure that they achieve that sleek look. And I'll also...
Okay, she's brushing her edges and also putting some gel. So of course I'm also gonna do the same to brush my edges. I think she said it's for a sleek look. She's using Eco Styler, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use the gel I have on hand. Okay.
Fit to also give my edges that sleek look. You want to avoid piling a lot of products on your edges to avoid product build-up.
Have you guys heard that? You want to avoid piling up a lot of products? I've just put like a ton of gel, and now that we're here, I might as well just continue because I've already messed up. Well.
I'm ready to install the flat twist. All I do is I take a small section of hair and split it into two. So that's my split, that's my two pieces. All I do is then start twisting.
Hey?
It's kind of like doing
My section isn't small. What is that? I just took like a chunk of hair. She's actually started with a really small section. Then split it in. Do you guys know how to do flat twist? I'm so curious to know, because these things have given me stress in the past. Okay.
Push and twist, but then I'm grabbing hair as I twist along. So I'm taking one piece, I'm grabbing hair, I'm crossing it over the other piece. As simple as that. Flat twists are a great alternative to those people who cannot control, like myself. I cannot control to save my life. And I mean, it's just an easy style to do.
Wait. You guys may know how to do lines, and she's saying this is an easy alternative, but I'm just like, no. Lines are so much simpler than flat twists. Jesus. Now this hair, because I'm going down like this, so I'm supposed to push this hair now like this to come, I guess so. Hey. Okay. Ooh, here there's a bulge. Mine hasn't lalad nicely like us. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my Lord, Jesus. Hey.
It takes me less than 10 minutes. 4 days or 5 days.
Less than 10 minutes.
And it's a protective cell because my ends are safely tucked away.
Jesus is Lord. Hey.
So this is how the back looks like. Well, my part was not that neat, but yeah, it's manageable.
Sis. What? The only thing that, honestly, her style is perfect. She's saying that her part is not good, but that is the least of my worries, because you guys, what is this? Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna start again. I'm gonna start afresh, and this time I am gonna be so serious about this. Higher. Let me also brush. You guys have clicked on this video and I've wasted your time. Have you seen the back of hers? Look at the back of mine. I have wasted all of your time. Just look at the back of mine, please. And look at the back of Sheila's. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna roll with it. Let me start from here, and I'm just gonna roll with it. We're gonna see this through the end because we're not quitters. Yes. You guys, somehow it started as a twist, and it's ending up as a matuta. Wow. We're still gonna finish this tutorial.
So I'm repeating the same method to the other side of the hair, but all I'm doing is I'm twisting towards my face. As you guys can see, the other side was away from the face and this side is towards my face. So that's the only difference with this side. But the technique is still the same. I'm still taking a piece of hair, grabbing more hair.
Have you guys had that? This one, she's doing towards the face, now like what I'm doing. But you know me, for this other one, I also like kind of did it towards my face. So I think we all know then why my twist has come out like this. It's obviously because I like did it towards my face. Had I done it away from the face like she did, guys, this would be a whole different video. So the things we tell ourselves when we fail. I failed because my twist and twists are bad, but of course what will I, my flat twist, sorry, need work, but what will I say? Oh, it's because I did it away from the face instead of, I did it towards the face instead of away from the face. Anyway, we're finishing.
And twisting as I go down. I hope you guys can understand. I don't know if I'm clear on this. I'm not the best person to show you how to do a flat twist. But yeah, once you keep practicing, then you'll be able to achieve a perfect style. Okay
guys, Sheila says there's hope. There is hope for us, or for me. I don't know if you guys know how to do flat twists, but she said practice makes perfect. So there's hope. There's hope yet. There is hope. Okay, at least this one has ended up as a 2-strand twist. So, oh yeah, this one's actually not so bad. It's not that bad. Yeah. What's this? Akiwo, what's this? So there's no point in me tying a satin scarf because this is a fail. This hairstyle is never gonna see the light of day because, well, it's not that bad, you guys. Hey, I've done some shenanigans at the back of mine.
A bit of eco-style to slick my baby hairs. You guys know I have my baby hairs slicked.
Okay, guys, that's it. The only thing that I got right in this entire tutorial is the laying of the edges. That is the only thing I have gotten right in this entire tutorial. I'm not even gonna ask you guys to rate how I did because I can't do that to myself. Oh, wow. You guys, let me show you guys the back. Let's all have a good laugh. Let me show you guys the back. You guys, if you recall, I did a part at the back. Where is it though? There was a part going all the way right down to the middle. Where is the part I did at the back? Where is it? Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you at least got entertained by this because hey, I have also thoroughly gotten entertained with my lack of skill. But you know what, guys, the only way from here for me is up. I can only get better at this hairstyle and I will keep practicing. I actually really liked how Sheila explained it. She explained it nicely. It's just that I think you have to practice, which she even said in the video, you actually have to keep practicing. But guys, I want you guys to tell me how your flat twists usually come out. I don't know if you've tried this hairstyle, how it came out, or any hairstyle fails that you've ever done. Please just comment down below. Show me that I'm not alone, please. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video, hopefully, where I will be doing something that I actually don't suck at. Bye, guys.